Butter. Butter-Rooney. Where's your treat? Of course, I get the toilet flushing on video. It's always a lovely thing. Where you going? Where's your treat? Where's my girl? Huh? You are not in timeout. You do not have to stare at the wall, Butter. Only rabbit I know that has a foot fetish. Where's your treat? Well, she just had a yogurt drop, so she might not be too hungry. What happened? Daddy roughed you up and now went inside, huh? Come here, you. Come here.